Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 2 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are forms of small speeches, phrases, sentences of command or order, that is sentences of order, that is आदेश के वाक्य, and present tense, that means वर्तमान काल. So let us study them in detail from here. This is everyday speech we use, everyday conversation we do. So we use these kind of phrases or small sentences every day. So let us study them here. Like somebody comes to your home, you welcome that person saying welcome. And in Hindi we say आपका स्वागत है. स्वागत is welcoming somebody. So we say आपका स्वागत है. Touch wood, that means something very good has happened. So you say touch wood, that is कहीं नजर ना लगे. That is कहीं नजर ना लगे. Just coming, if somebody calls you, you say just coming. So you say मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. That is you are informing somebody that you are just coming within few minutes. Very well. Somebody has done very good job, tremendous job. You want to compliment. You want to say very well. You say बहुत अच्छा. That is you have done very good job, very well job. So you compliment by saying बहुत अच्छा. So if you want to ask somebody that is there anything else apart from that, so you will say anything else. So you will say और कुछ. That is beyond that you want to say something else. So you ask somebody और कुछ. That's enough. That is, it is now enough, not more than that. So you will say बस रहने दो. That is enough now. We will not consider more than that. So just say बस रहने दो. That's enough. Okay, if you just want to say okay, that's okay. So in that case you say अच्छा. That is fine. When you want to convey the message that it is okay, it is fine, you say अच्छा. Why not? So you will say क्यों नहीं. That is, why don't you want that thing? You want to question somebody, you want to reason somebody, you will say why not. You will say क्यों नहीं. When we want to say somebody that he should take care of himself, we take great care of somebody, we care for somebody, we show concern for somebody, we say to that person that just take care of yourself. So in Hindi we say for caring we use ध्यान, for taking रखना, that is ध्यान रखना, that is just take care of yourself. See you tomorrow, that is we'll meet tomorrow, that is कल मिलेंगे. Tomorrow means कल, मिलेंगे that is see you. So we'll meet tomorrow, so that is see you tomorrow. That is too much. That when you want to say that it is more than enough now, that is too much now, you will say बहुत है. That is, it is more than enough now. So you will say बहुत है. Here sentences of command or order. So as a higher authority, as the parent, as a teacher, we sometimes command or we sometimes order some higher junior authorities, children, students. In that case we use these kind of sentences for commanding or for ordering. That is never mind, that is doesn't matter. That is it doesn't mind, it's okay, no problems. Whatever has happened, I don't mind it. It doesn't matter, it's okay, everything is fine. So we say koi baat nahi. That is, nothing matters, doesn't matter. So everything is okay. That is koi baat nahi. Nothing more. So that is not beyond that. I don't want anything more than that. So और कुछ नहीं. That is nothing else. So nothing more or कुछ नहीं. When we welcome somebody, we say आइए. We invite that person to our home. We invite that person, we say आइए. That is welcome. Rest assured, that is don't worry, everything will be assured. Don't worry about that. So rest assured, that is don't worry, everything rest is assured, no problems. So means bharosa rakheं. That is everything is assured, everything is fine. So you will say bharosa rakheं. Stop, that is ruko. When we command somebody to stop, that is stop doing that thing, we will say ruko. Stop means ruko. We order somebody or a teacher command the children or the student to speak something. So she says speak, that is bolo. Speak means bolo. Or listen to it, that is listen something. Listen means sunna. So you say listen that thing, that is suno. Wait here, that is यहाँ ठहरो. That is wait here. Now you are ordering somebody to come here. That is, you are asking him to come to you or come here. We say idhar आओ. That is to come here. Look here. That is just see here. So देखना. Look means देखना. Here idhar. So just look here. That is idhar देखो. Take it, that is यह लो. That is यह लो. Just take this thing. So you are telling that person to take it. You say यह लो. Few more sentences of order. You will say come near. That is you are asking somebody to come near, or teacher asking somebody, teacher asking student to come near and see anything, maybe his mistakes or something like that. So you will say come near. That is pass out. So you are asking somebody to come closer. So you will say pass out. Wait outside. That is you can wait for the person out of this room, outside. So you will say बाहर इंतज़ार करो. इंतज़ार is waiting. Outside is बाहर. So बाहर इंतज़ार करो. That is wait outside. So बाहर इंतज़ार करो. Go up. That is ऊपर जाओ. जाना is going. जाओ is going. And ऊपर that means up. That is ऊपर जाओ. Go down. That is you are asking somebody to go downstairs, or maybe you are upstairs. You are telling that person to go down. So you will say नीचे जाओ. Down is नीचे. जाना is going. So go down, that is नीचे जाओ. Get off, that is utar jao. So you are on top of terrace or you are top of sofa, somewhere on top of bed, the person say get off, that is just get out of the bed and come down. So you'll say get off, that is utar jao. Be ready, that is now get ready for something, maybe for the party or for the school. So be ready, that is tayyar ho jao, that is tayyar ho jao. Be ready for few things, so you'll say tayyar ho jao. Tayyar is getting ready. Teacher usually say this, she says keep quiet. She always asks the students to keep quiet in the class. So quiet is chup. Raho, that means keep. Keep quiet. In Hindi we call chup raho. Chup raho. Be careful. You are warning somebody, asking that person, giving him warning to be careful about something, maybe about the road crossing or about any other thing or electricity switches. Warning, giving a warn to somebody, warn sign. So you'll say be careful about driving or something. So you'll say be careful, that is savdhan raho. Go slowly, that is you have to walk slowly, that is dheere chalo. What do you mean by that? Dheere chalo. Dheere is slow, so you'll say dheere chalo. Then go at once, that is just now you have to go somewhere. You are giving order that he she go just right now. So you'll say go at once, that is turant jao. Jana, I told you go. Turant, that is at once, and that is right now. You want to say that just go right now. So go at once, that is turant jao. Stop here, that is yahan ruko. Ruko is stopping, here yahan. So stop here, that is yahan ruko. Go straight, that is सीधे जाओ. Straight is सीधे, जाओ that is go. So go straight, that is सीधे जाओ. You are giving directions to somebody that he can, maybe the person is asking for railway station, police station. So you are giving direction that you can go straight in this direction. So you will say सीधे जाओ. Go away or get out, that is chale jao. That is chale jao means you can leave this room, you can go away from here, you can get out of this room. You are ordering somebody that he can leave the room right now. So you will say chale jao. What will you say? Chale jao. That is go away, get out. Now few sentences in which you will learn about present tense, that is वर्तमान काल. So Mary, क्या तुम हिंदी पढ़ते हो? That is Mary is asking, do you study Hindi? वर्तमान काल is present tense, that is just now happening. So few sentences so that you can understand this tense. What is about present tense? So do you study Hindi? क्या तुम हिंदी पढ़ते हो? So you are asking somebody. So Chris will say yes I do. That is हाँ. So you will say yes I do. That is yes. Yes means हाँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में भी क्या तुम मुंबई रहते हो? So that means right now you are asking that person that is living in Mumbai right now. So you will say क्या तुम मुंबई रहते हो? Tom, is Rita watching a movie? So Tom is asking right now, is Rita doing that job? That is she right now watching a movie? That is, क्या रीटा फिल्म देख रही है? इज रीटा वॉचिंग अ मूवी? मैरी, नो शी इज प्लेइंग अ वीडियो गेम. दैट इज, नो शी इज डूइंग समथिंग एल्स राइट नाउ. शी इज नॉट वॉचिंग अ मूवी, शी इज प्लेइंग अ वीडियो गेम. सो मैरी विल से नहीं, वह वीडियो गेम खेल रही है. When Tom said क्या रीटा फिल्म देख रही है? देखना इज वॉचिंग, फिल्म इज मूवी. सो क्या रीटा फिल्म देख रही है? इज रीटा वॉचिंग अ मूवी? सो मैरी विल से नो शी इज प्लेइंग अ वीडियो गेम. दैट इज राइट नाउ शी इज नॉट वॉचिंग मूवी, शी इज प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम. दैट इज नहीं, दैट इज नो. नो मीन्स नहीं. वह वीडियो गेम खेल रही है. खेलना इज प्लेइंग. सो नहीं, वह वीडियो गेम खेल रही है. So these are the few sentences that will tell you what is actually present tense. That is right now what the things are happening. So this is called Vartman Kal. So in this you have learnt about phrases, everyday conversation, these kind of small phrases, polite phrases, small speeches, or sentences of order when we are ordering somebody, we are commanding somebody. And we have studied about present tense. So we have studied about different situations, different conversation we do in our day-to-day routine. So we say these kind of phrases usually we use. So you can learn these phrases in Hindi from this session. You can revise them again and again so that you can learn them better. So that is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.